Hi, I am Yogesh Guthe. Today's point is noise pollution. Nowadays, noise pollution is a big problem in our country. Most of vehicles, number of vehicles are increased during nowadays. The noise are produced is big. The traffic area contains most of noise pollution. Noise pollution contain different sources. First of all, industrial. Second one is wedding function gathering. Third one is aircraft. These are the major sources. The noise pollution is contained in daily routine. Noise pollution is a wave voice sound wave is travels in air atmosphere, and these contain pollution. The vehicles are increased in that time. The horn is pressed to increase the volume of waves of sound is create in big more that contains the pollution is form. The old age peoples cannot be uh, tolerate this noise, and they can be suffering in most of disease, headache, uh, uh, headache, or some of the heart disease. They can be not tolerate this type of noise pollution. Some of the areas are the very much air noise pollution that contains aircraft areas, industrial areas. The around the industrial areas, peoples are not surviving in more than atmospheric substance. The noise is 24 hours are uh, 24 hours routine daily basis. They are surviving in these areas. The noise is continuously formed in the machine. Industry contains different uh, uh, generators, mills, or machines are that generate the sound that is in waves contain most of noise pollution. Traffic, the the traffic signal stopping that time. Traffic, the vehicles are press the uh, horn. The horn is also the big problem of noise pollution. Nowadays, uh, India is most of India become a most religion country. The function is very popular in India. Most of function they can celebrate loudspeaker. Politician are also using the uh, loudspeaker that can be done in most of noise pollution, and that older age peoples can suffering of most of heart disease, headache, and most of the pain in our body. The more sound, more noise pollution that contains most of the hair loss. The small age children also suffering for this air noise pollution. The general hospitals or government hospital that can be in 500 meters areas are not uh, horn place or any sound waves to generate the not a barrier to the human that can. The sound is slow. The patient is not tolerate this type of sounds that can most of the schools, hospitals, and things that avoid the sound noise pollution differently contains differently contains DJ is also one of the main part of the noise pollution that contain more sound waves, and these sound waves are not tolerate our ear. The air the noise pollution industry is a major suffering of this air pollution. The aircraft areas are the aeroplane are taken away from that times most of noise pollution is arranged, and that pollution human are suffering of most of disease, older age disease, people are suffering for disease. That's why noise pollution is reduced in our country. Thank you.